Urban Beard sells distinct premium beard care products which are handmade in Toronto, Canada. If you want a healthy, awesome looking beard like this, then you need to take care of it. All of Urban Beard's products are handmade using natural ingredients to keep your beard looking soft, sharp and naturally healthy. The products are going to moisturize your skin underneath that prevents itch and beard dandruff. With that in mind, Urban Beard has created this literally the best box I have ever received. I'm not just saying that because the sponsor this video, but literally look at this design, guys. It is amazing. Urban Beard Butter is a non-greasy moisturizer for your beard. It's going to penetrate the hair follicles from the inside out, providing antioxidants and rich moisturizing to the hair from the organic oils from within. In the box, you're going to find Urban Beard Conditioner, which is going to keep your beard nice and soft. You're going to have beard oil. There's a shampoo bar to keep your ass clean. Also in the box, there is a brush that's going to help keep your beard in shape. There is also scissors, so you can trim off any parts you don't need, as well as mustache wax, which is going to help keep your tash in any shape that you desire. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not just saying this, but this might be the best thing that I have ever got for my beard. Literally, like, this box has everything you need. If this is something that interests you, if you have a beard, then you need this. Okay, there's no more. That's it. You need this Urban Beard box. There's a link in the description and the pinned comment. Go check them out.